Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is July the 8th. We're out here in Lawrenceville, Georgia, our first and only job of today. And then once we get the finish down here, we're going to be going to Loganville to also do a in-home consultation. So this is a new client. They said, Courtney, thank you so much for those videos because I think they're moving from Maryland. They didn't know who to call, so they saw me on Google, saw my videos, praised me for the videos. I came out here about 2 weeks ago, did an in-home consultation. It's a little bit over 1,400 square feet. They have a Brazilian cherry floor. We're doing a screen, recoat, and a UV cure, and we're also doing their countertops in their kitchen, and also stairs. So that's what we got going today, guys. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys. So again, got a UV machine, got our red coat ready. So these are the floors we're going to be doing, and if you look really close, you can see the floors have taken a lot of wear. They're here with another contractor as well, but the floors have like a lot of surface scratches. So it really needs a good screen or recoat. This is a great opportunity to screen or recoat it when it's empty. So as you guys see, Tavares is starting to do the stairs. I've already started the process on the screening using certain pads just to make sure I get a good abrasion. So guys, these are all the floors that we're doing. Again, if you zoom in close, you see all these surface marks, scuff marks. Okay, and then here, and then we have this huge kitchen area. We're going to be doing the countertops and all through here. All right, guys. Well, they're talking, so I can't talk too loud, but they're going to be clearing the place shortly, and I'll give you guys some more footage. You got the coating on the stairs, as you can see. Stairs look great. Had some wear on those first two stairs, but we did some color correction. But anyway, guys, the floors are prepped. Screen, vacuum cleaned twice. We cleaned these floors twice. As you can see, it's still drying after the second cleaning. Now it's time to get the coating down. Also, check out these countertops. Night and day difference. Night and day difference. I mean, guys, look at the reflection. Look at the reflection from the ceiling. Wow. Wow. You could not even see that before we start. I mean, wow, you can see the whole ceiling, well, the wall and the ceiling, the ceiling fan. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. That's the light from up there. All right, guys, I called my consultation, told him we'll be there around 3 o'clock. He said no rush, he's there. And go see what's going on with his wood floors. All right, guys, stay tuned. see that? You see them countertops?
Yeah.
See how good that looks?
And the floor, all those scratches.
All those, yes, ma'am.
Gone. Nice. Almost ready for moving.
Already ready for moving in.
We're getting closer. Yeah.
And see, this is the beautiful thing about our process. What a lot of people understand, it's not going to be perfect like a full sanding, but it's cheaper than full sanding, and it's only 1 day. For us to fully sand this floor, my crew, it probably took them about 5-6 days.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, sanding it's time consuming.
We don't need all of that.
No.
Because then we're gonna move back in and run up and down and make a mess on top of that. It's just something to make it move in ready.
All the scratching, this, that, and other that was in here is all gone.
It's all gone. So those are your surface scratches, your scuff marks. But really, what was wrong with this floor? This is probably the first time it's been ever been done. Because when I roughed this floor up, it had a yellow amber. That's oil base. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Got these floors UV cured. Floors came out great. Clients very, very, very happy with the improvement. And like I say, guys, one thing about the Screen Recoat, I do tell my clients, it does not get out everything. Now, I will say, though, I can tell this floor's been sanded because I see a lot of chatter marks. And that's one thing about when you get new finish on the floor, because when the floors are dull or there's really no finish on the floor, it's hard to see certain things. But when you get new finish on the floor, it will reflect. And I see a lot of, like, chatter marks. I mean, I can see them. Other people might, and you only can see it from an angle, but that's definitely when the drum sander digs into the wood too much. Really somebody who's inexperienced or their equipment was malfunctioning. But anyway, guys, floors came out great. All right. Phone, man, I booked 3 new in-home consultations today. We went and did an estimate, an in-home consultation in Loganville. He booked on the spot for this Friday. So this Friday, my sanding crew have a sanding job in Atlanta that I did an in-home consultation on maybe a month ago. So they finally got the house painted just like this house, and they're getting their floor sanded because the floor is old and it needs a sanding job. But this floor, guys, the Screen Recoat was perfect for this. Like I said, for the little imperfections here and there, you really can't even tell. And then also too, the 2 reasons why clients love the Screen Recoat, because as you can see, it's a 1-day process. And also the cost and the convenience of full sanding. So, guys, that's going to do it. And also, we did the countertops. Countertops came out amazing. All right. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Actually, we had 2 jobs yesterday, but I rescheduled the one in Ackworth for tomorrow. So we have a small project tomorrow. It's one of my clients. She's been using me for about 7-8 years, and she had me come clean her smoothie shop in Snellville once a year. And then we're gonna shoot up to Ackworth and do a Screen Recoat for a move out. And all right, guys, well, that's gonna do it. We'll see you tomorrow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, our client trusted us with their home. They came and paid me. They did the walkthrough. They left. They said, Courtney, just close the garage and lock up the house. But the other crew who's in the basement, they're still down there working. So, yep. All right, guys, see you in the next one.